What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on Hondaru. As you can see, we already got her on the lift, and what we're getting ready to do right now is get this thing all the way up in the air and see what we need to do to pull the factory fuel tank out of this thing. If you guys remember, a while back we did pick up a 10-gallon fuel cell for Hondaru, and then when we were in Florida, Garrett gave us these MagnaFuel 750 pumps, and then today we actually just went and picked up a inline fuel filter. We got some fittings, we got some Dash 6 line right here for our return and some Dash 10 for our feed, and we're just going to see how much we can get done on Hondaru's fuel system, because last time we put this thing on the dyno she made 592 all-wheel horsepower, but we were maxing the Walbro 450 that's in there out. It was over 100% duty cycle, so we need to upgrade our fuel system, and that is the only thing stopping us from making more power in Hondaru. So hopefully after we get all this stuff done, we'll be able to put her back on the all-wheel drive dyno here and
turn her up just a little bit.
Yeah, you know, we're trying to make that like 800 horsepower. Yeah. So with all this stuff we got here, we should be able to do that no issue at all. But first step is to get her up in the air, and we're gonna see what needs to get done to pull the factory tank out of this thing. I don't know if you want to put a funnel on that.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Ready?
Try to stay in the back. Hey, hold on.
What?
Never mind. I was thinking if we should just let the gas cap out to get the pressure out, so it doesn't like shoot.
It might be like bloop, bloop, bloop. It might be like, you know, trying to suck in air.
I don't know. There might be a full tank, dude.
Oh.
Alright, we might need to go find another gas can while we're here.
Oh, now we're what? There's no way that's all that was in there. Oh no, see, it's gurgling like I said. We need to pop the cap. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll go look for another jug real quick. Just in case. Should be good enough. So the stock tank on Hondaru has two drains. There's one on this side and then one right here, because the tank kind of goes over the drive shaft right here. So we have to drain each side out. We're just doing this so it's not as heavy when we go to drop it. Just makes it a little bit easier. All right, so we just got the gas drained out of the tank, and it looks like to drop this out, we're going to have to pull the diff out. We're gonna have to pull the drive shaft back out. Then there's also this bracket that runs along right here that we're gonna have to get out of the way. So it is gonna be quite a bit of work, but it needs to get done. We got a lot of stuff to get out of the bottom of this thing so we can get that tank out of there, because we're not gonna need that anymore once we get the fuel cell. And Emilio was saying we can replace those, right?
Yeah,
got some new bushings.
so we got some bushings from Carp Boy when we were replacing the shifter and all that. And we never replaced these, so while this is off, we can replace those too. So
get those
looks
all
like
running.
everything out under here has to come out.
Yeah, we have to take a lot of stuff out.
Don't need this anymore.
There it goes. Got it?
Come pop out this other side now.
There it went. Alright, you got that or you need help?
Just lower the jack.
Oh.
Right on the elbow.
Oops.
Alright, put it right there. Come over here to the top. Pull up that right here.
What?
This whole piece, just pull it up. Get the other one out.
Oh.
I couldn't hold it anymore.
Well, it's out. These just fell off.
That's cool.
Looks like about it. And then just, this thing's just hanging off the e-brake cables. Pull it out of the way. There we go. Got that bracket off. Got the diff out. Now we need to pull these 10s right here, get this shield off, and then get the straps holding the tank off, and we might have to lower it down and
pull the lines off.
Yeah, and the filler neck. bet we're gonna have to disconnect quite a bit up top still.
Yeah, you might be able to reach it from down here.
Oh. Just give her some more finessing. There you go. Well, now you can see. Looks like there's a couple things over there holding it still.
All this stuff.
Just keep yanking on it. It keeps coming closer and closer.
That's just a couple lines back here.
Oh.
Whoa.
Barely started recording. Got the last hose off.
That line right there.
Which one?
That plug. Grab one here.
There it is.
Oh, there it is, dude.
Took longer than I thought it was going to. At first it seemed easy, but
there
then...
was so many things in the way. Little things. Look at all these damn...
Look at all this crap.
I don't need all that.
Now I get to put it all back together. Anchor. What's that for? The factory intercooler sprayer?
No, this is something with the maybe evap
system
or something.
Like a evap canister. Yeah. Is that the intercooler things in the trunk then, right?
Yeah, there is one. There, the intercooler sprayer. It's still in the trunk. I gotta take it out. Weight reduction, dude.
Don't need that anymore. Add it to the pile.
I'll be gentle with it.
It's perfect right in here.
Yeah, it does.
Spare tire divot. So I'm thinking we just get some metal tomorrow. Just get some steel strip and just weld a strip here, weld a strip there. Then we'll just like put a little support in the middle so it doesn't like bow. Then we'll just drill our holes, bolt it down right there, because it has these 4 tabs to bolt it, and then we'll just use that 90 fitting we have. And then we can just 90 it around, mount our pump like up in here or something, right next to it. Then the line can just shoot off right through that hole right there. Then we can figure out where it needs to go under the car. Look, I didn't know the tank already had these caps on it. When we went to that place, I bought that one, remember?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know it came with it, so we already have those caps. But I need to cap one of these off too, up here.
It's gonna be perfect, dude.
Yeah, that won't be bad at all. Be done, just 90 there to 90 there. This will obviously be a little bit higher, but that's not gonna affect the pump at all. Be done, wired up, it's good to go. Then we have to just run the return. But it's really straightforward. A lot less complicated than all the stock stuff.
Yeah, all this crap.
Yeah, all that junk over there in the pile. Well, we are calling it for tonight on Hondaru. We got a lot done. Took us quite some time to get that stock tank pulled out of it, but we got that out. We got all this crap over here in this pile that is not going to be going back in the car. So we definitely pulled a lot of weight. This stock tank weighs a lot more than our fuel cell. And then we got some heat shields and the filler neck and an evap canister and a whole bunch of stuff that we pulled out of the car, so saving some weight there. We're gonna wait until we put this piece back in though, because we don't have the bushings that we got from Cartboy a while back. Those are back at Emilio's place, so we're gonna wait till we put the rear end back together so we can do the bushings now, because it's a lot easier just to do it now and get that out of the way while it's all apart. There's no sense to put this all back together just to rip it apart again for those bushings, and Keith told us those bushings are pretty important.
Yeah, 'cause
so
it keeps everything stiff in the rear.
Yeah, it keeps that diff from moving. And so yeah, definitely gonna do that, but got a lot done. We are pretty sure how we're going to do the fuel cell as well. We just need to get some metal to mount it up in there and then just get our lines ran. And it's pretty straightforward from there. We need to get some like 10 gauge wire and a relay to trigger the pump, and it'll be ready to go.
Take the bumper support out of here. I still got the stock trunk, well, a trunk without the wing, so that'll save us some weight. And I started cutting the inside of it too, so I'll finish that. Try to pull more weight, because
yeah, she's heavy.
Yeah, she's heavy, and I'm heavy too, so I gotta either cut it here and cut it here.
Go on a jog.
Go on a jog.
Yeah, but we need to get a carbon trunk, I think, later on. That'd be the best.
And I want to take these off, and I'm probably gonna cut these skins off too, because I don't need the rear doors or anything.
Nah. She'll go on a diet. I mean, she kind of already started.
Yep.
Got a lot out of it today. And then we'll get back on that fuel cell, get it finished up. So this is just gonna be Hondaru's upgraded fuel system part 1, because we didn't quite get it complete, but we should be able to knock it out the next day we focus on it. Tomorrow we might be doing some stuff to the Prelude, because we want to try to get it ready for the track on Wednesday. So I'm not sure how much focus we'll have on the Hondaru tomorrow, but we'll just see where it goes and just keep getting stuff done. But guys, that is going to be it for this video. So once again, sorry, we're just kind of hustling right now. A couple of these videos I know have just been nothing but work and not much play, but we got to do what we got to do to get these cars done, and taking that stock tank out definitely took us some time. So we've been working all day on Hondaru and got some other things going on, but we're making progress there, and I think that's about it. I mean, good thing we don't have to put that stock tank back in at least.
Yeah, because there's a lot of stuff.
That was a pain. Yeah. There was so much off camera of just like, we could not figure out how to get it off.
Towards the end.
But it's out, getting ready to put the cell in. So got a lot done on Hondaru today, guys, and I think that's about it for this video. If you guys didn't catch it in the last video, we did also add some merch to the website, so that is in the link below, so be sure to check that out. We got our hats and shirts back on there, so if you guys want to grab some stuff, be sure to go check out our store, and it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. So once we get this fuel system done though, Hondaru's gonna go straight on the dyno, and hopefully we'll be able to
make 800.
800, quick 800, that's the goal. So it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching.